In this cloud hosting tutorial video, I'm going to be going over Bluehost Cloud Hosting. I'll be doing a review of Bluehost Cloud Hosting service, how to set up your Bluehost Cloud Hosting plan with a WordPress website, how to access professionally designed WordPress themes, how to edit your WordPress website with a drag and drop editor, along with providing the results of real site speed tests and performance tests on a fully functioning website. Bluehost is offering special early access pricing for all its Bluehost Cloud Hosting plans. I provide the link in the description below so you can take advantage of this great Bluehost Cloud Hosting discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Let's get started with the Bluehost Cloud Hosting review and setup tutorial. I'm here on the Bluehost Cloud Hosting page. Bluehost Cloud Hosting is a managed cloud hosting service. You get 100% uptime guarantee. If you click the View Plans button or scroll down to the Cloud Hosting plans, you'll see the Bluehost Cloud Hosting offers 4 different plans you can choose from. The Cloud 1, Cloud 10, Cloud 25, and Cloud 50 plan. You'll see the early pricing starts at just $29.99 per month up to $109.99 per month. In the future, if you notice the price has gone up, the early pricing has ended and you'll see the new pricing. Before we dive into the different plans, let me go over everything you'll get with the Bluehost Cloud Hosting plans. Bluehost Cloud Hosting is built for site speed and is made for managed WordPress websites. You receive a built-in CDN, optimized cloud infrastructure with increased CPU frequency, along with scalable PHP workers in a global data center. Bluehost Cloud Hosting service was built by WordPress creators for WordPress websites. You receive automatic updates with Bluehost's managed cloud hosting service so you can focus on your business. Another feature you'll receive is 24/7 priority support with real WordPress experts via chat and phone. You receive 100% network availability reliability. You can scale as you grow. You can easily scale PHP workers as needed within your Bluehost account. You receive full DC redundancy. The full DC redundancy provides an auto failover system so that in an event of a data center issue, your site and all its files are replicated to a separate location, keeping your site online. Bluehost Cloud Hosting provides automated daily backups, DDoS protection, web application firewall, one-click restore option to restore your site from a previous backup, along with free Let's Encrypt SSL certificates. Now let's go over the cloud hosting plans offered. All plans come with 100% network uptime and 24/7 priority support voice chat. The Cloud 1 plan comes with 1 website, 10 GB of SSD storage, and 2V CPU compute power. The Cloud 10 plan comes with 10 websites, 125 GB of SSD storage, and 20V CPU compute power. The Cloud 25 plan comes with 25 websites, 175 GB of SSD storage, and 75 vCPU compute power. The Cloud 50 plan comes with 50 websites, 225 GB of SSD storage, and 150 vCPU compute power. Select the plan you'd like. I'll select the Cloud 1 plan. You'll now be on the Set Up Your Domain page. You can enter in the domain name you'd like to have. If you aren't sure on a domain name, you can select the Add My Domain Later link and Bluehost will give you a temporary domain to use. You'll now be on the Create Your Account page. Enter your account information. Next is the plan information. Where you see service term from the drop-down, you can select 1 month or 12 months. You'll see primary domain registration if you selected a domain name. The domain name costs $12.99 for the first year. You'll see the Add Additional Services section. If you entered in a domain name, you'll see the Domain Privacy Plus Protection. I do recommend Domain Privacy Plus Protection as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public WHOIS database as domain names are regulated. If you select Domain Privacy Plus Protection, it'll show Bluehost default contact information instead of yours. You'll see today's total and the discount applied. Enter your payment information and click the Submit button. It will begin processing your payment. Once it is done, you'll be in the Bluehost control panel. Click the Add First Website button to begin setting up your website. WordPress is selected for install. Click the Continue button. Put in a site title for your WordPress website. Put in a good admin email and username to be used. Next, you'll see Advanced Settings. Click the data center location. From the drop-down, you can select between California, Texas, and Virginia, in the USA or the Netherlands. I'll select Dallas, Texas for mine. Where you see storage, it'll have the amount of storage chosen that comes with the plan you selected. Where you see PHP workers, it'll tell you the amount that is available. Mine comes with 5, so I'll change it to 5. Click the Continue button. Next, you want to connect your domain. Input the domain you want to use. Or if using a temporary domain, select the Use a Temporary Domain. Click the Continue button to proceed. It will begin installing your website. You'll see WordPress installed once it is finished. If you click WP Admin, it'll take you to your WordPress dashboard. If you click Manage Site, it'll take you to where you can manage your site. From the Manage Site Overview page, you'll see PHP workers and storage used. If you click PHP workers, this is where you can make updates to your PHP workers. This is also found in the top menu under the Performance tab. You'll see Cache Settings. Toggle this on to improve the speed of your website. I recommend doing this once you have your website created and built. Next, I'll click the WP Admin to go to the WordPress dashboard. Now I want to show you the test results for site speed from the default WordPress theme. I'll hover over my site title at the top. I'll click Visit Site. You'll see the default theme here that is automatically installed. Here's the test results for this. Something to keep in mind, I haven't done any image optimization or installed a caching plugin with performance features so the times can be improved. You'll see the largest contentful paint loaded in just 0.3 seconds. The fully loaded time was 434 milliseconds, just 0.4 seconds. I also tested the performance of the site with the key CDN performance test. Here's the results for the DNS, Connect, TLS, and TTFB. You'll see great performance times. Now I want to show you the results of a fully functioning website, along with showing you how to get professionally designed templates and how to use a drag and drop editor to make your website creation quick and easy. Now, let's go over the site speed and performance tests for the fully functioning website. The largest contentful paint loaded in 0.5 seconds. Something to keep in mind, I haven't done any image optimization or installed a caching plugin with performance features so the times can be improved. I also tested the performance of the site with the key CDN performance test. Here's the results for the DNS, Connect, TLS, and TTFB. You'll see great performance times. My recommendation is choosing Bluehost Cloud Hosting if you want some of the best site speeds for your WordPress website, or client site if you're an agency and want to provide great services to your clients. Now let me show you how to access professionally designed WordPress templates and how to create your site quick and easy with a drag and drop editor. From the WordPress dashboard, hover over the Appearance tab in the left side menu. Click Themes. Click Add New Theme. Where you see Search Themes, type in Astra in the search field. Click the Install button. Click the Activate button. Hover over Plugins in the left side menu. Click Add New Plugin. In the search field, type in Starter Templates. Click the Install Now button. Next, click the Activate button. I'm going to select the Classic Starter Templates. Click the Build with Templates button. Next, choose Elementor for the page builder. You'll now see a bunch of professional design templates you can use to build your site via drag and drop. You can select between different categories to find themes based on that. You can make any of these themes your own. If you click on a theme, you can preview it. For this tutorial, I'll choose this Love Nature one. You have the option to choose to upload your logo now if you'd like, change fonts, and the colors of the site. You can do this later, so if you aren't sure on this, it's okay. Click the Continue button. You now be on the Tell us a little about yourself. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. Just make sure under Advanced Options you have each one selected. Click the Submit and Build My Website button. It'll begin building your website. Once it is done, you'll be on the Congratulations page. Click the View Your Website button. It'll take you to the view of your website. To edit a page, click Edit with Elementor at the top, and it'll take you to the drag and drop editor where you can easily change the text, drag stuff in over from the left, change images, move things around, and more. That is my Bluehost Cloud Hosting review, setup, and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.